How you doing, everybody? It's John here again. Today we're just outside of Tofino going to take a look at Cox Bay. Another beautiful beach here on the west coast. Well, this is going to be awesome. Come on, let's go. Alright, well here we are on the trail. All the mossy trees. Gonna take a walk down here. Little ways to go. Pretty little salmon berries blooming. Well, looks like we got a little ways to go, so I'll let you know when we get to the site. Alright, well, I'm a little ways back from the beach, probably, I would say easy 120 yards to the ocean. And if you look along the trail here, this is all compacted sand. So at one point, this was beach. And the reasoning behind that, most likely, was because of glaciation. So the glacier pushed the island down because there was a couple kilometers of ice on top of it. It's called isostasy. I learned that in geography back in college. There's a few holes here and there. Not sure if something dug them up or if there was a rock in there. A lot of times there's concretions, they call them, and they're just like fossilized material that gets bundled up and stuck in the material. But really interesting that the sand is back this far. So this was all eroded away, I guess, and slowly over time. Oh, there's our friend the skunk cabbage. Pretty things. Smell a little funky, but they are lovely. It's really kind of a mysterious looking forest this close to the ocean because you get so much moss, and Spanish moss hanging in the trees and lichen. That is some dense stuff if you had to walk through that. Holy. Alright, well, I'll catch you in a minute. Okay, well, there is a washroom here. There's also places to lock up your bike. So it is a bit of a walk. You know, not huge, but it is a bit of a walk. But this is the big reveal of Cox Bay. Lots of people around here surfing today. I keep seeing signs about wolves, but dang, you know, I've never seen a wolf in the wild. You never see wolves. What the hell? I always wanted to see a wolf in the wild, but that's so rare. Alright, well, here you go. This is Cox Bay. Lots of people getting ready to go out. Lots of people out. Pretty decent rollers coming in. Pretty place, holy mackerel. Alright, well, we're just cruising along the beach here. Lots of people out in the water. Some decent rollers coming in too. Looks like, maybe 3 foot out there, 2.5, 3 foot, maybe a bit bigger. Huh. Now, at the end of this beach is the start of Pacific Rim National Park. Which is right over there. Super nice. Wow. This is really cool. You might like to hear some of the rollers coming in, so I was trying to keep quiet a little bit there. There's lots of people, you'll see the ones in the t-shirts, or most of them are learning to surf. Lots of great surf schools. If you're out here and you want to learn, they'd be happy to teach it. Just like these folks out here in the water now. It is a lot of fun, I'm going to tell you that much. I haven't done it out here, but several other places in the world I did a little surfing myself. Be fun to be out here in a kayak as well if you're feeling particularly crazy. I know a couple guys who'd love to do that. There's a little flock of sandpipers right there. See if I can get them on the camera here. There they go. See them there? Pretty quick. Oh, not a fan of those dogs, I guess. Here, you see how these are, people have traced surfboards? That's so they can show you the technique to get up, so you can practice on a board. You can do this in your house too if you want to learn how to surf. Just draw yourself something on the ground, you'll be ready to go. What a beautiful spot. Holy cow. Yeah, that's Pacific Rim. Right there. I think it was right around here that people spotted the wolves, so I thought I'd see if I get lucky. Not likely. They're not looking for me, so, you know. I'd feed them for months. Probably get indigestion, the poor guy. go down over there. Little sandpipers doing a little treasure hunting there on the beach. They're fun to watch, those little guys. You can't get too close because they're pretty quick, but they are a lot of fun to watch. Fast little things. Just at the other end of Cox Bay here now. Just way out on that point, you can see the lighthouse, that little island jutty. Waves are a little bigger on this side. Wow, look at that. Alright. Ooh, look at the waves crashing against the rocks there. Holy. Lots of people out surfing. Let's peel back a little bit. Look at that. Wow. All right, well, there you go. That's Cox Bay. Thanks so much for coming along with me. I appreciate it. Good to have you, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.